Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, and our Chief Patron of St. John Ambulance Kenya, Her Excellency, the First Lady of Kenya, Mrs. Rachel Ruto, the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Honorable Aden Bare Duale, the Governor of Taita Taveta County, His Excellency Andrew Mwadime, Principal Secretary here from the Ministry of Health, distinguished guests, the Prior and Chairman of St. John Council, Dr. Robert Mutula, members of the Priority Council, volunteers of St. John Ambulance Kenya, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. St. John Ambulance Kenya is a volunteer-based organization whose strength lies in the dedication, compassion, and service of its members across every corner of our nation. I'm honored to stand before you today, Your Excellency, and speak on behalf of more than 62,935 volunteers of St. John Ambulance Kenya. Our membership is organized into 5 categories that provide opportunities for service and leadership throughout life. We have the Dolphins, ages 6 to 12. We have the Cadets, ages 13 to 17. We have the Lynx, 18 to 22 years old, or if you're in college. The Adults Division, ages 18 to 63 years. And then we have the Fellowship for all those who want to continue serving beyond the age of 63. Through these pathways, our volunteers receive training in first aid, emergency response, leadership, disaster preparedness, and essential life skills. This training equips them to save lives, support community health initiatives, respond effectively to emergencies, and contribute positively to society. Every day, St. John Ambulance volunteers serve selflessly in schools, places of worship, public events, communities, and during emergencies. They provide first aid, support disaster response efforts, promote health awareness, and assist a vulnerable population whenever the need arises. Your Excellency, volunteers are a distinguished force in Kenya's development. Across the country, they support education programs, health campaigns, environmental conservation, disaster response, youth mentorship, and countless community development initiatives. They freely give their time, skills, and energy to improve the lives of others and strengthen our nation. Their contribution extends far beyond what can be measured in statistics. Volunteers strengthen social cohesion, promote civic responsibility, and provide critical services that complement government efforts in advancing national development. Despite their immense contribution, many volunteers continue to face challenges, including limited access to advanced training, inadequate operational resources, insufficient transport and communication support, and limited opportunities for recognition and personal development. Your Excellency, volunteers do not seek rewards for their service. However, they require support to maximize their impact. Empowering volunteers is not an expense, thus, it is an investment in human capital, community resilience, and national development. By investing in volunteers, the government can harness the energy, patriotism, creativity, and goodwill of thousands of citizens who are committed to nation building. A supported volunteer becomes a stronger community leader, a more productive citizen, and a catalyst for sustainable development. When volunteers are empowered, communities become safer, healthier, and more resilient. Emergencies are managed more effectively, young people are positively engaged, and communities are better prepared to face future challenges. On behalf of volunteers across Kenya, I respectfully appeal to you, Our Excellency, and the leadership to continue championing policies, programs, and partnerships that recognize, support, empower volunteers so that together we can build a future where service, solidarity, and active citizenship remain at the heart of our national development agenda. As St. John Ambulance Kenya continues to support communities through first aid training, emergency response, health promotion, and humanitarian service, we remain committed to working alongside government, development partners, and other stakeholders in building a safer, healthier, and more resilient Kenya. Thank you for your leadership, your support, for volunteerism and your commitment to the welfare and progress of our people. May God bless our volunteers, bless St. John Ambulance Kenya, bless our Excellency the President, and bless the Republic of Kenya. Thank you.